You're a good boy. Yeah. You're pretty good. Okay, now car may come driving up while you're in here. Want to go out backwards? Huh? Ugh, thank you. Gross. Back. Back. Easy. We're not there yet. Oh. Oh. Here you go. Good boy. Good boy. It's all right. You want to take his picture while he gets back in? Here we go. Come on. Come on. Oh, no. You see this? Any place for food, see? I guess that's probably all we're going to get.